Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, in this tutorials, we are going to solve for all the solutions to this program. So we are given x cubed equals to -1 solution. Alright, so we have x cubed equals to -1. Now, before we proceed, let's understand the sum and difference of cubes. Okay, so sum of cubes, when you have a cube plus b cube, the same as a plus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now when you have a cube minus b cube, that will be, so this side is minus, so this side will be a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we have these identities. Okay, now let's write this one as s cubed plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, by adding 1 to both sides of the equation, that will give us this. Now from here, we can write this one as s cubed plus 1 cube. Remember, 1 cube still remains as 1, so I've done nothing. Alright, so s cubed plus 1 cube equal to 0. So this side will be x plus 1. Then we have x squared minus x times 1, x plus 1 squared, 1 equal to 0. So we have the 0 product here. That makes this one x plus 1 equal to 0, or x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0. From here, this one will give us the first answer. Remember, the highest power is 3, therefore we are required to come out with 3 solutions. So from here, I'll write my first solution as x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equals to -1, x equals -1. Now let's delve into the other 2 solutions with this equation. X squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from here, we are going to compare this one with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So from here, a is 1, b is -1, c is 1. So knowing all these terms, or knowing a, b, and c, we can proceed with the general quadratic formula. So we have the formula as minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So remember, a is 1, b is -1, and c is 1. Okay, so that's nicely done here. Alright, so let's proceed with how to calculate for the next solutions. So we have b as -1, so this side will be -1 plus or minus. So we have b -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. C is 1, let me write it well. Okay, on 2 times a, which is 1. Remember, we are solving for x, so minus plus 1 plus or minus this side will be 1 minus 4 on 2. So from here, x will be 1 plus or minus 3. Square root of minus 3 on 2. Okay, so knowing this side becomes complex. So from complex numbers, so when we're given square root of -1, the same as I. Therefore, -1 is the same as I squared. Okay, so from here, we can write this as x equals to 1 plus or minus 3 times -1, which will make this side 1 plus or minus square root of 3 times square root of -1 over 2. Remember, square root of -1 is the same as I. So we write this one as x equals to 1 plus or minus root 3I on 2. So that will be the other solution. So my x2 will be 1 plus root 3I on 2. Then x3 will be 1 minus root 3I on 2. So we have them here. So that's the plus or minus. Okay, the plus or minus. All right, so from here we can say that these solutions, okay, are complex. So let's stick to x equals -1 and verify if it will satisfy the equation. Remember, the question says x cubed equals -1. We have the real solution as -1. So let's plug in -1 and see if it gives us that. So that to -1 raised to cube. So this side is same as -1 times -1 times -1. Remember, 2 will be +1 times -1, that will be -1, which is that. All right. So therefore, the correct answer for this mathematical expression, or the correct answer for x cubed equals -1 is -1. All right. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.